Samsung's impending Unpacked event this summer is creating a lot of buzz, with leaks and rumors circulating about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Just weeks before the big presentation, prototype and dummy photos of the gadgets have leaked, giving us with some critical details. These images show early versions of the phones, implying that significant design changes are in the works. For example, the display appears in the photos to be more pronounced than what we'll see in the finished product, or an older display could have been used to emphasize the phone's overall design. Fans are especially curious about whether the crease on the fully opened Galaxy Zold and Galaxy Z Flip will be less obvious. One apparent difference is the Galaxy Zold SAXS boxier design, which is similar of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The corners of both the inner and outer displays are now more angular than on the Galaxy Zold 5. The gadget is somewhat shorter and broader than its predecessor, with a triple camera arrangement at the back and a fingerprint reader on the right side. The leaked photos also show a black prototype edition with Samsung crudely imprinted on the hinges, indicating a possible logo makeover. While etched logos are often selected for their elegance, stamped logos may be in the pipeline for these premium products. Another fascinating aspect to note is a probable flare in the Galaxy Zold SAXS hinge protection plate at the top and bottom, however this has not been verified. The hinge looks to extend significantly farther from the main phone panels at the ends, where the Samsung logo is located. As for the Z Flip 6, there are no visible details of this nature in the late images. Despite these minor observations, Samsung's design improvements are visible in these prototype units. Both phones appear to have a smaller bezel around the internal display, and their overall footprint appears slightly more refined than last year's models, which is quite impressive. The Zold 6 is said to be thinner and lighter than its predecessor, with a shorter and wider display, and if you enjoy capturing slow-motion videos, you'll be happy to know that it supports 4K 120 frames per second video recording in addition to the improved battery life. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.